Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 4 math. In today's video, let us revise exercise 6.3. This is page number 84. Here is the first bit. Write the first 6 multiples of 7 and 14. Then find the common multiples. Okay, so let us solve this. So multiple of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42. So here only we have to write first 6 multiples. Okay, so this is a 6 multiple of 7. Next, multiple of 14. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 84. Now what we have to do here, we have to find their common multiples. So common multiples of 7 and 14 equals to 14 and 14. Okay, next 28 and next 42. So common multiples of 7 and 14 equals to 14, 28 and 42. Okay, so this is the 6.3 first problem. Now let us solve the second bit first problem. Write the lowest non-zero multiple of 18. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write the lowest non-zero multiple of 18. So 18 ones are 18. So lowest non-zero multiple of 18 is 18. Okay, second one, B. Write all the multiples of 8 which lies between 39 and 70. So multiples of 8 lies between 39 and 70 equals to 40, 48, 56, 64. Okay, so these are the multiples of 8 lies between 39 and 70. So that are 40, 48, 56, 64. Okay, so this is the second bit. Third bit, find the 4 common multiples of 6 and 12. What is their LCM? So what we have to do, we have to find the first 4 common multiples of 6 and 12. What is their LCM? So here, multiples of 6 equals to first 4 common multiples of 6 and 12. So first of all, multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 are 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. Next, multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 are 48, 12 5 are 60, 12 6 are 72, 12 7 are 84, 12 8 are 96, 12 9 are 100, 12 10 are 120. Okay, so here first 4 common multiples of 6 and 12 equals to common multiples. Okay, so 12, 24, 36, 48. Okay, only first 4 common multiples. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here first 4 common multiples are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Okay, next what we have to do here? Here we have to find the LCM. LCM of 6 and 12 equals to 12. See here, 6, 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This one will be as it is, 2 1s are 2. So 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so LCM of 6 and 12 equals to 12. So this is our problem we have completed. Okay, so similarly fourth problem you practice it similar to third one, only the slight difference in this. Okay, so let us solve the fifth bit. Find out if the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number. Yeah, so what you have to do, you have to find out if the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number. So first question is 13, 91. So we divide 91 by, so we divide 91 by 13. Okay, so here 91 divided by 13. So 13 sevens are 91. 91 minus 91, 0. Okay, so since 91 is divisible by 13, yes, it is a multiple of 13 because 13 sevens are 91. Okay, so we divide 91 by 13. Since 91 is divisible by 13, yes, it is a multiple of 13. Okay, so 50 bit first problem I have explained, remaining you just practice it in your classwork. Now last problem of exercise 6.3, sixth one. Find the LCM of the following. First question 4, 12. So 4, 12. So here we have to find the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, So this 1 will be as it is, 3 ones are 3. Okay. So LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. LCM of 4 and 12 equals to 12. Okay. Okay. So remaining problem you practice it. This we have completed our exercise 6.3 revision part. Okay. So exercise 6.4. So here is the first bit. Find the factors of 16 and 40. Find the common factors and the HCF. Factors of 16 equals to 1 into 16 equals to 16, 2 into 8 equals to 16, 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 16 1s are 16. Factors of 16, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16. Next, factors of 40. Okay, so 1 into 40 equals to 40, 2 into 20 equals to 40, 4 into 10 equals to 40, 5 into 8 equals to 40, 8 into 5 equals to 40, 10 into 4 equals to 40, 20 into 2 equals to 40. Okay, so factors of 40, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 8 comma 10 comma 20. Okay, plus 40. 40 ones are 40. Okay, so this is the exercise 6.4. Okay, it's very simple. Second bit. Find the HCF of the following numbers by finding all the common factors. Is 8 comma 20 HCF. So 20 divided by 8. Okay, so 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16, 4. So we cannot divide 4 from 8. So what we can do here? Okay, so here old divisor become new dividend and 4 become the new divisor. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, so here what is HCF? HCF of 8 comma 20 is 4 because our new divisor only the HCF. Highest common factor. Full form of HCF is highest common factor. Okay, so factor of 8 also you can do like this. 1 into 8 equals to 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Okay, similarly factors of 20. 1 into 20 equals to 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20, 20 1s are 20. Okay, so these are the factors of 8 and 20. Okay, so in today's class we have completed exercise 6.3 as well as 6.4. Okay, so in the next class I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.